Interior maintenance items that I wish that every homeowner would do. Hi, I'm Laura with utahhomeslaura.com. So let's dive right into it. Here's the list. Item number 1, you want to caulk and grout every 2 to 3 years, including your kitchen backsplash and your bathrooms. Number 2, the HVAC maintenance. Twice a year, replace every 15 years. Furnace cleaned heading into your winter. Service the AC early spring. You want to vacuum those registers and exhaust fans. The air filters, you want to buy cheap ones, but change every 30 to 45 days, maximum 60 days. 3, interior paint, every 3 to 5 years. In those high traffic areas, every 2 years. And don't forget to paint the trim and the doors. Number 4, change fridge filter every 6 months. You want to vacuum the refrigerator coils. You want to do that annually. 5, clean fireplace and chimney annually. You want to repair and replace chimney caps and also check those liners. 6, sell marble countertops. You want to do that every 6 months. 7, clean ceiling fans and light fixtures every 6 months. 8, you want to clean your carpets annually. Number 9, quarterly clean garbage disposal. You can do this by taking ice cubes and then baking soda in hot water and just letting that run in the disposal. 10, annually flush out your hot water heater. 11, you want to install a smart home thermostat if you haven't already done so. 12, clean drains in your sinks, your tubs, and your dishwasher annually. 13, check for falling insulation in your attic and you need to replace where necessary. And 14, let's talk hardwood floors. You want to apply a new coat of finish every 3 to 5 years, also known as the maintenance coat. You want to sand and refinish every 10 to 15 years. And 15, you want to check that sump pump annually if you have one. Doing these home maintenance items will keep your home in tip-top shape, and you won't have a bunch of deferred maintenance when you get ready to sell it down the road. And we all eventually sell our homes. So keep this in mind. If you've found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. I have included additional information down in the description. And meanwhile, I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.